1.76 lakh crore rupee coal scam going the 2G way. Supreme Court today gave enough indications to this effect, saying that all coal block allocations made between 1992 and 2009 are illegal. The apex court says the award of close to 200 coal blocks were made in an arbitrary manner and there was hardly any transparency. The court will now hear the companies involved in the case from the 1st of September before deciding if the allocations should be cancelled.
The government is indeed putting up a brave front, at least for now. Union Power Minister Piyush Goyal said the verdict will help cleanse the system and hinted at an overhaul of the whole process of coal allocation to begin with. The Supreme Court verdict did take a toll on the markets, with the blue chips like Hindalco, Tata Steel, Sesa Sterlite and JSPL taking a big knock in trade today. The collateral damage from the Supreme Court verdict on coal block allocation is our top story on Business Tonight.
There was a sense of déjà vu at the apex court today. The Supreme Court had back then cancelled 122 telecom licenses, and today it has put the fate of over 200 coal blocks in limbo. The bench, headed by Chief Justice R.M. Lodha and comprising of Justices Madan Lokar and Kurian Joseph, asserted that all coal blocks allocated between 1993 to 2010 were arbitrary, without transparency, unconstitutional and illegal. The court asserts that both the screening committee and the government dispensation route were flawed and illegal.
All the allocations that were made by the central government, whether through the screening committee route or through the government allocation route to public sector undertakings, were all done in a totally non-transparent, arbitrary and sometimes mala-fide manner.
The fate of about 218 coal blocks now hang in balance, of which about 40 have mining leases. The consequences of illegality on these will be decided on September 1st. For the ultra mega power projects that got mines through a competitive bidding process, the court states that companies can use these solely for captive production. No diversion is allowed whatsoever. Stakeholders assert that this judgment will bring clarity.
This has brought to finality and closure a dispute or a problem that's been there for many years, is in fact a big plus for Indian economy. The economy can now move forward rapidly rather than being cast with a shadow of uncertainty.
The Honorable Court has clarified that as far as cancellation or relief, or whether it is going to be a total cancellation or part cancellation or whatever relief is to be given, that is yet to be decided.
The court's order today serves a body blow to the power sector. After all, 70% of power generated here is thermal. So any deallocation of these coal blocks will be a huge dampener for electricity generation in India. All eyes are now on the 1st of September. After calling it illegal, will the court once again throw out the baby with the bathwater like it did in the 2G mess? Or will it be conscious of the economic ramifications and restore order without damaging sentiment further? Suchetna Ray and Nitya Balakrishnan, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.